Hello and welcome to this uplifting I Am affirmation session. And thank you for connecting with Meditative Muse. This 5-minute uplifting affirmation session was created to help you build a confident, positive mindset by reminding you of who you are and all the things that you are capable of. Having confidence is everything. No matter what it is you're doing, know that you can do it just as good or even better than anyone else. Self-confidence is a superpower, and once you start believing in yourself, the magic begins. Listen to this daily to boost your confidence and make positive choices for yourself. If you resonate with this session, please give a like and subscribe to be notified of new uploads and spread the light by creating an awareness for this channel. Now it's time to disconnect from everything around you so you can recenter, reset, and regain your energy. Know and trust that your mind listens to and absorbs every word I share. You can repeat them or allow them to flow to you. Accept that these powerful words I share are your words, your reality, and only that which is just for you will be received and reinforced by your body, mind, heart, and spirit. So let's begin. I breathe in calming, loving energy and breathe out any anxiety, stress, worry, or doubt. As of right now, they have no meaning or purpose but to distract me and keep me from expanding. So I let go of any old beliefs that have hindered me from growing, and right now, I am building a more powerful me. I show up every day and embrace the rhythm of life and allow it to unfold. I am right where I'm supposed to be, as the journey of 1,000 miles always begins with one step. Letting go of my worries helps me fully experience life. I do not stress over things I cannot control, as I am only in control of myself. And I know my intuition will lead me in the right direction. I am not afraid to experience different places, people, or situations, as I know all experiences in my life guide and strengthen me. I am at peace on the inside, no matter what happens on the outside. I am naturally relaxed and at ease, balanced and strong. I keep my head lifted high and radiate with confidence. I am on a new path where fear no longer serves me, so I will follow my heart and enjoy my life. I know that when I believe and take action, things begin to happen and unfold one bit at a time. I am blessed. As I inhale deeply, I elevate my spirits, filling my entire mind and body with peaceful, loving energy and exhale out all worries and concerns as my mind shifts on my strengths and desires. I will do the things I need to do to get through with confidence and peace. Because I can, so I will. Repeat these affirmations to build and maintain a positive and confident mindset. Until next time, peace, love, and good vibes to you all.